Welcome back. All right, so you're going on a trip and you're tempted to pack like you have a personal Sherpa and unlimited checked bags. Don't. Today we're going to talk about the 5-4-3-2-1 packing method because life's too short to be wrestling with multiple suitcases in the airport parking lot. If my description of the 3x3 packing method doesn't sound like the right fit for you, maybe this one will. This method is short, sweet, and straight to the point. It's perfect for a week-long trip or even longer. The 5-4-3-2-1 packing method, as I use it, is 5 tops, 4 bottoms, 3 layering pieces, 2 pairs of shoes, and 1 extra piece. Pick 5 tops, t-shirts, tanks, whatever, a mix of casual and slightly nicer in case you end up somewhere that doesn't have paper napkins. Keep it neutral so everything matches. This is packing, not a fashion experiment. We've got a plain white tee, a light blue tee, a black tank, a stripy tee, and a black mock turtleneck. 4 bottoms, jeans, shorts, maybe something stretchy in case you're doing a red eye or, God forbid, hiking. Wear 1 on the plane. This saves room and spares you from those weird cold airplane seats. In this capsule, we've got jeans, a maxi skirt, linen pants, and black capris. 3 layering pieces. These can transform your look or be left out completely depending on your mood and the weather. We've got a white button-down shirt, a soft cardigan, and a black blazer. 2 pairs of shoes, 1 casual and 1 that can be elevated. Make sure both are comfy and don't make your feet scream after an hour. Wear the heavier pair. We're not checking bags just to pack shoes. We're grown. I've chosen some white leather gym shoes and a pair of red ballet flats because if you're like me, and I know I am, red shoes are a must-have. 1 extra wildcard item. Maybe it's a sundress or an LBD little black dress or a jumpsuit. Maybe it's your just in case I meet the Queen of Genovia outfit. The point is, pick 1 wildcard item, not 5. So from this, we have a total of at least 64 different looks. You've got versatility and a whole lot less to pack. This method will work for any size person. No drama, no sitting on your suitcase like it's a beanbag chair from the 70s. The 5-4-3-2-1 method actually works. Now, depending on the amount of time you're gone, how sweaty you are, and how often you have to whip out that Tide pen, you may have to plan for doing laundry, but you're not going to be doing a ton of it with this method. One more time, here's your packing cheat sheet. 5 tops, 4 bottoms, 3 layering pieces, 2 pairs of shoes, and 1 extra item. That's it. Done. All right, pack it up and hit the road. If this helped you, or if you've got your own tried and true system, drop it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz. I'm not saying this method will change your life, but it will save you from hauling 20 pounds of just in case regret. Thanks for watching.